If 2009 saw 2 ESA astronauts in space and brought the European Space Agency a step closer to understanding the dynamics of our planet, the missions foreseen for 2010 will deepen that knowledge and deliver Europe's final major contributions to the International Space Station. Following on Node 2 in the Columbus Laboratory, Node 3, one of the 3 ISS interconnecting modules, will be launched at the beginning of the year, providing for life support equipment for the ISS crew. It will also host the European-built Cupola Observation Module, a 360 degrees view balcony from where to monitor robotics operations outside the ISS and observe the beauty of our planet. Once attached to the ISS, more than 1/3 of the pressurized ISS elements will have been built in Europe, and the station will be almost complete. And with the launch of Johannes Kepler later in the year, Europe's second automated transfer vehicle after Jules Verne, Europe will play an even more crucial role in the logistics of the ISS program. Another important launch will be the one of Cryosat, the third of ESA's Earth Explorer satellites in orbit. Following on from the Gautier Gravity mission and the SMOS Water Salinity mission launched in 2009, Cryosat will monitor changes in the thickness of sea ice and variations in the thickness of ice sheets on land. Important data to help scientists better understand the effects of climate change. 2010 will also be an important year for human space exploration. ESA astronaut Roberto Vittori from Italy will be the first European to return to the International Space Station in the summer of 2010. This will be his 3rd time in the ISS, but his first on the space shuttle. The flight will include 3 spacewalks and the installation of the alpha magnetic spectrometer to the exterior of the station. Once attached, AMS will search for evidence of antimatter and further advance our knowledge of the universe. And just a few months after his mission, another Italian ESA astronaut, Paolo Nespoli, will assume the role of flight engineer during a 6-month stay in the ISS. It will be ESA's 3rd long-term mission and Nespoli's 2nd mission to space, after delivering the European-built Node 2 to the ISS in October 2007. To better understand the psychological and physical effects of long-term space missions on astronauts and pave the way for future manned missions to the Moon, Mars and beyond, the European Space Agency will conduct in 2010 the 2nd part of the Mars 500 program. Following on the successful 105-day precursor study, a volunteer international crew of 6 will start this year to simulate a full 520-day round trip to Mars, including a 30-day stay on the Martian surface.
Lift off.
Another historic moment in 2010 will be the launch of a Soyuz rocket from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. Traditionally launched from Baikonur in Kazakhstan or Plesetsk launch facilities in Russia, preparations are well underway in Kourou to enable this first-of-its-kind launch. This will take the strategic cooperation between Europe and Russia a step further and help secure Europe's independent access to space. A year of major technological and scientific achievements has just begun.